And weeks after he was sacked as the RSS chief for Goa, Subhash Velinkar now has only one mission: to spoil the BJP's chances of returning to power in the state, which goes to the polls next year. But can he make a serious dent in the BJP's political fortunes in Goa? Ankita Sinha reports.
Just over a month after he was sacked as the RSS chief for Goa, Subhash Velinkar has taken the political plunge with one mission: not to win but to spoil the BJP's chances of returning to power. His party, called the Goa Suraksha Manch, will challenge the BJP in next year's assembly elections for what it calls not fulfilling promises that brought it to power.
A new party has been established today, Goa Suraksha Manch. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch is the parent body of this political party, and there is a lot of support coming from different sections of society.
Velinkar was sacked for rebelling against the ruling BJP for his dogged pursuit to have Marathi and Konkani as the medium of education in government-funded schools. Once a tall figure in the RSS, he is credited with building the leadership for both the Sangh and the BJP. But the BJP feels Velinkar's latest move won't have an impact.
Here is a party which probably we need not take that seriously, I feel, because this is the party which claims that its objective is not getting themselves elected, but to defeat X or to defeat Y.
Out of the 40 assembly seats in Goa, the BJP won 21 last assembly election. But now with the opposition Aam Aadmi Party and now Subhash Velinkar's party upping the ante, for the BJP to remain in power, every seat counts. In Goa with camera person Ramesh Sable, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.